Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the S&P 500, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3. I think that it is very likely to go up someplace around the $6,000 area because there's a 161% Fibonacci extension right there, and that is definitely the most likely area for wave 3 to end before it decides to make a wave 4 and most likely a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, yeah, we definitely did make a push down, but there's definitely no break of structure, definitely no lower highs, so that tells me there's no reason at all to think the uptrend is over. Going down to the daily time frame, well, this is the structure level that for me would confirm that this trend is over, at least the trend that started right here. We definitely don't have a break of structure to the downside. I would be a little bit cautious that this move up possibly is a correction to this move down, but I definitely am still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I was actually suspecting that this right here was an A, this is a B, and this is a C, like an expanding flat ABC correction. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely looks like the characteristics of an expanding flat. If it really is an expanding flat wave C, then this will definitely continue to make higher highs, higher lows. But I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because if we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, then I definitely would be cautious about that. It definitely is a possibility that this is an A or a 1, this is a B or a 2, and that it bounces from a Fibonacci level. It makes a big engulfing move to the downside, maybe even breaks structure. If that does happen, then that probably would be the end of a correction and continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely kind of looking for longs right now. Now, if it does, bounce from a fib level, go down and break structure, I would start looking for shorts again. But I think there's a possibility this is the end of an ABC correction. If that is the end of an ABC correction, then it will make higher highs, higher lows. If it does anything besides make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then I would probably start looking for shorts again because it is kind of down on the daily time frame. But it does look like an expanding flat, and if it is an expanding flat, then it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. If it's not an expanding flat, that means that it would have to be a correction to this last move down, which means that we would definitely get a Fibonacci bounce, a breaker starts to the downside, which should turn us into a seller at the end of pullbacks again for the continuation of this move down. Either way, as long as you follow structure, pay attention to price, you should be okay trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.